If your absence doesn't bother them, then your presence doesn't matter to them. Most of the time, we are lied to. Our family, friends, and neighbors tell us that they miss us, that our presence is very valuable, that they love us. But the point is, the ultimate test to your value to somebody of your presence is to create your absence. If that absence of yours does not disturb them, then just know that even your presence doesn't matter to them. I mean, you leave no hole, you leave no gap when you're gone. It means that person does not value you.